Okay guys, sorry, I already bit this and did everything about this. It was because I had to restart my video. Now, I want to tell you guys that I already ate my push pop. It was because when I bought this, it was really yummy. I really love push pop, so I just had to eat it. Now let's open our juicy drop pop. Let's open. Now, I got this from a Walmart. And it is like next to my house. So yeah. Okay, so let's keep on opening. I guess it's open. Oh, now here. Okay, now I opened it. This is how it looks like. I always usually thought these were like spicy. Let's put the juice on. We're gonna use the container that we got so that we can put it. Now it's right here. So let's just open this and let's do it. So just give me a second. Sorry, I opened it. Now let's do the experiment in here. Sorry about showing that girl. It's my sister. Okay, let's do it. I put it all in. Ugh, this is sour. Now, let's lick it. This is it. I'm going to take the bowl in case it falls. Okay, so I'm not going to eat my ring pop, but when I do, I'll record. And if I eat it at school, then I might not record. And this is the end of the video, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.